hello or good afternoon. We are wild camping, me and my husband. It's an adventure. There's no water here, only a lake nearby. There's a dedicated place to make a fire, a barbecue, and here is a designated space to put your tent. It's getting cold. It's going to be an interesting night, even though we have very warm clothes. We are in the middle of a national forest. We are allowed to have a camping here. It's almost like a wild camping without any water. There's a small spot with electricity. It's like a resting place here in the middle of the forest. In north of Poland, these areas are the biggest areas with virgin forest, with untouched forest. So this is the first time we've put up a tent, the first time camping for us, the first time wild camping for us, the first time putting up a tent, but it all went well. This area, what you can see, you can sit and eat under there. That house is locked, so there's, as I mentioned, no water, no toilet, only some electricity, and a place to make a fire. It really is an amazing adventure, and it's so peaceful here. So you can see Bola, my husband, he's made a fire. We're going to warm ourselves. There's still some people here that made a barbecue, went for a walk, but we'll be alone for the night in the middle of a beautiful forest. I was kindly gifted Dr. Bronner Poland toothpaste and soap, and this is completely biodegradable, organic, vegan, no chemicals, completely natural, and something that you should use in the nature. Leave no trace. Dr Bronner Polska nieuprzejmie przesłał na tą naszą wycieczkę swoją pastę do zębów, mydła, jeszcze taki krem do ciała i do twarzy. Ta pasta do zębów jest 100% naturalna, biodegradalna, całkowicie się rozkłada w przyrodzie, wegańska, organiczna, bez żadnej chemii, czyli coś, co powinieneś używać w przyrodzie i nie zostawić żadnych śladów po sobie. Good night.